About to play some Mario Kart. What do you think, Holly? Rose River Falls tomorrow?
Sure.
That means yes. It's about 9:30 in the morning. So the good thing about the trail we're going to, it's a loop, and the whole time it's featuring a ton of waterfalls. So after days like this when it's raining a bunch, it's actually a really cool trail to go on. You see on this fence there's a bunch of turkey buzzards drying out their wings. It's creepy. Look at them. Pulling into Shenandoah National Park. Visibility is great up here. This time of year is awesome because you can just see all the life kind of taking over the forest again. All the moss on the ground, the grass is getting green again. Let's see what the view looks like up here. No visibility today. Look at that. All the eastern hemlocks in Shenandoah National Park are dead now. An invasive bug ended up wiping them all out. It's the remains of one right there. So we're walking up on the Rose River Falls trailhead right now. Backcountry. Rose River. I'm trying to remember. I think we want to go this way. So we can walk. Do you want to walk against the big waterfalls, go that way, or walk with the big waterfalls? So if we walk down that way, we'll walk with the big waterfalls going down them. Then we'll come up on this side where it's like the more gentle waterfalls, or we can walk down on the gentle waterfall side and come up the big falls.
I don't care.
Let's go this way. Yeah, we're gonna see all of them. There's a big giant rock wall down here, and there's a natural arch in it. Where?
Right up there.
Big sycamore leaf. Whoa. Oh, he's getting ahead of me. I gotta catch up to her. I don't mind snakes. Like the copperhead.
Are rattlesnakes poisonous?
Yeah. Water moccasin too. So Holly and I were just talking about bears. And over there's a tree that's uprooted, and it always plays little tricks on you because it almost looks like a little black bear sitting down. But this one's just a tree. Got this massive pine tree right in front of me. It looks really cool.
Oh yeah.
Thing's huge. It's like some Animal Kingdom stuff right here. Good thing we brought our boots. Whoa. That looks freaking awesome. And if you can see right there, it's just a little hole. Still think it's really cool though. So I just crossed over the river. Holly's gonna chill over here because all that rain came in and it's a little high. So I'm going solo up to the rock. Look at that. That's awesome. I'm gonna go right up there. All right, gonna leave all my stuff down here. Gonna go right up these rocks right here. I'm gonna have to put my GoPro away for this part because they're really slippery today. Sketchier than I thought it was gonna be. I'm up here, right behind me. A little hole in the rocks, and you can see Holly all the way down there on the other side. Hi Holly! Yeah, this is cool. I really should not have my GoPro in my hand because that's a good 15-foot drop. It's a bunch of mountain laurels up here. It's a really cool spot. Whoa! There's my stuff down there. And there's a big drop. Gotta get all my stuff together. I was just right up there. So I'm trying to navigate my way across this creek again. All right. Making progress. Check out that massive pine tree right there. That thing is freaking huge. It almost sounds like an airplane flying over us. So I've actually been here one other time with my friend Eric from Real Treks. I did a video with him in Mount Rogers. We actually swam in here. Can't get all of it, but this runs down like 70 feet to that big pool down there. That's a long drop. Got all these amazing waterfalls coming off the rocks over here. So cool. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like more than 10 waterfalls coming off these rocks. Can we go over there? All right, let's get after it. I'm gonna try to scoot across this log and get up to the waterfalls up here. This is absolutely incredible. It's just like a natural shower. You know what? I think I'm gonna walk through it. Woo! Look at that. I gotta get through here quick. Oh my goodness. I'm soaked, but that was worth it. Look at that. This is definitely one of the coolest things I've experienced here at Shenandoah National Park. I almost want to walk through it again. That was so cool. I got to get through this next part though. Oh my god. This is so cool. You see Holly all the way over there. And there's the big waterfall we just passed by a minute ago. This is just unreal. Usually there's a little bit of water running down these rocks, but after heavy rainfall, this whole thing will just turn into a giant shower. I don't want to leave this spot. This is so cool. I guess what I'm gonna do, make my way up there and loop back down because there's some more waterfalls down that way. Wow. All right, now it's time to go back down. All right, so I got to get down there. Just noticed what I was standing on top of. Looks like a big cave. So I'm definitely gonna check that out. Shit, I don't know how to get down from here though. I think I gotta go this way. All right, gotta try to get through here. Ooh. About to walk up on this cave right now. That's really cool, but I'm not gonna walk up in there because those rocks look pretty loose. Oh. Ouch. I'm gonna see if I can't climb up here. I've taken this route before, but it wasn't as wet, so hopefully I can just make it up it easy, cross over on the thin part of the creek, meet up with Holly back over there. So that was pretty easy. Just walk through all those rocks. That was so freaking cool. This might be one of my favorite trails in Shenandoah. I think there's an old mine up here too that's covered up. We can go check that out. So if you follow this gravel path up, you get access to all these really awesome climbing rocks. And right here we have an old mine that's covered up. Can't remember what kind of mine it was, but still pretty cool. I don't think anybody's getting into this thing. Everything's getting so green, the lichens are coming out, algae and moss is coming out. Must be a moist side of the mountain right here, because on that side it doesn't have nearly as much as this side right here. It's probably due to aspect. Sun during the hottest point of the day shining on that side of the mountain, making it really dry. And the sun only hits here in the morning when it's less intense. In the summer, all this stuff's just gonna be so lush and thick on this side of the mountain. All this green and all the rocks. This almost feels like I'm in an Olympic or something. Everything's so green. Clouds are touching down right on top of us. It's so cool. Here we're coming up on the last big waterfall of Rose River Falls. Pretty awesome. So now Holly and I are on the fire road, heading back to the parking lot. Back where we started. All the way up that fire road. And there's that view. Couldn't see anything this morning. Well, we're all done with Rose River Falls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting outdoor content.